If you have not watched my office lookbook video, I will share the link in description box. Hi guys, it's Varsha. Welcome back to my channel, Varsha Mehta Official. Today I'm back with another styling video and I'm going to create different outfit using one piece of clothing, and today I'm going to use palazzo pants to create all the different outfits. Palazzo pants are summer trend which flatter each body shape and size, and you don't need to tend to wear it. So let me introduce you to the palazzo pants. Wide leg, breezy and perfect summer solution for the time when you are not prepped. Palazzo pants are in trend for such a long time, and it is one of the favorite pants which most of us have in our wardrobe, since they are loose, wide and super comfortable and goes well with different style and silhouettes. We can carry them anytime, any place and at any occasion. I style it in different ways with the help of some pieces and accessories. Today in this video, I am going to share with you people Western, Indo-Western, ethnic look which I have created using the palazzo pants. Hope you enjoy watching this video and find it helpful. Please don't forget to share and hit the like button if you really like it. Please consider to subscribe my channel if you haven't already. You just have to hit the subscribe button given below, and very important, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get notification from my channel. And without further ado, get into the video. This is the first look which I have created using the palazzo pants and teamed that with the sari. I have added a waist belt to the look so that it gave a complete modern and stylish, at the same time girlish look to the complete outfit. I think palazzo pants and sari are working great together. They are super comfortable, stylish, modern and at the same time giving a traditional look to your outfit, and waist belt is completely enhancing its beauty, and I am really in love with this outfit. With this outfit, I have teamed a piece of earring and golden metallic clutch as well as golden footwear to enhance the beauty of complete attire. This is the complete look. This is the another style which I have created using the palazzo pants. In this, I have teamed the palazzo pants with umbrella kurti having a front slit, and the hangings and the work you are seeing in this kurti is all done by me. I have created this kurti from my sari. With this outfit, I have added a golden metallic clutch which I have used in the first outfit, and also added a piece of golden earring having an oxidized finishing. This is the third style which I have created using the palazzo pants. In this, I have teamed the palazzo pants with a straight off-white kurti. This is the fourth look which I have created using the palazzo pants. In this, I have teamed the palazzo pant with straight kurta and dupatta. Added a piece of golden earrings and decent watch to give a classic look to the complete attire. This is the complete look come together. This is the fifth style which I have created using the palazzo pants. In this, I have teamed the palazzo pant with a peplum kurti, and I'm loving the complete look. It is super comfortable and easy to carry, and you can carry it anywhere. And I have also added a piece of earrings and a hand accessory to it. This is the sixth look which I have created using the palazzo pants. In this, I have teamed the palazzo pant with a piece of blouse and golden dupatta, and this is a perfect look which you can carry for some wedding or some festival. To complete the look, I have added a piece of earrings and golden metallic clutch and teamed that with a golden footwear. This is a 7th style which I have created using a palazzo pant. I have teamed the palazzo pant with a pink crop top, and this look is perfect for some dinner you can go for. This is another western look which I have created using a palazzo pant. In this, I have teamed the black palazzo pant with a striped black crop top. This is a complete monochrome look, and I have added a long neck piece to it, and this is perfect look for party. This is another look which I have created using a palazzo pant. I have teamed the palazzo pant with a red off-shoulder top and teamed that with a hat and jute handbag. This is a perfect vacation look you can create using a palazzo pant. This is another monochrome look which I have created using a palazzo pant. In this, I have teamed the black palazzo pant with a black tea bag and a black blazer, and this look is perfect for office as well. Another look which I have created using a palazzo pant. I have teamed the black palazzo pant with a check shirt and teamed that with a black structured handbag. This is super comfortable look which I have created for office using a palazzo pant. This is the complete look. This is the last look which I have created using a palazzo pant. In this, I have teamed the palazzo pant with a off-white chiffon peplum shirt and added a waist belt to it to enhance my waistline, and this is the classic look. Hope you people enjoy watching this video and find it helpful. You can also share your picture with me using my styling tips and ideas. And I will be waiting for your positive comments in comment box, and it really motivates me and forces me to work more harder to bring useful content for you people. And if you really like this video, please don't forget to share this video and hit the like button. And if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please take a moment to subscribe it. And this is the time to wrap this video. Bye.